Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Adda YouTube channel. In today's session, we will do Current Affairs MCQs from 23rd January 2026 and we will cover all possible MCQs. If you like this video and find informative, please subscribe to my channel. So coming to today's first MCQ, which city became Uttar Pradesh first zero fresh waste dump city? So the answer is option C, that is Lucknow. Lucknow Municipal Corporation can now process how much waste per day scientifically? Option C, that is 2100 metric tons. What is the processing capacity of the newly commissioned Shivari Solid Waste Management Plant? Option A, it is 700 metric tons per day. The proposed waste to energy plant at Shivari will have what capacity? Option C, 15 megawatt. The Union Cabinet approved continuation of which pension scheme till 2030 to 2031? Option B, that is Atal Pension Yojana. Atal Pension Yojana was launched in which year? Option C, 2015. Which states celebrate Statehood Day on 21st January? Option B, that is Manipur, Meghalaya and Tripura celebrates Statehood Day on 21st January. Digital India Bashini Division signed MOU with which organization for toponymic data digitization? Option D, Survey of India. Directorate General of Civil Aviation, that is DGCA, launched electronic personnel for which license? Option C, that is for Airline Transport Pilot license. Electronic personnel license can be accessed through which application? Option A, it is eGCA app. Draft National Electricity Policy 2026 has been released by which ministry? Option B, that is Ministry of Power. Draft NEP 2026 aims to replace which earlier policy? Option B, NEP 2005. Target per capita electricity consumption by 2030 under NEP 2026 is? It is option C, 2000 kilowatt per hour. Niti Aayog released green transition reports for which sectors? Option B, that is cement, aluminium and MSME. Cement sector carbon intensity target by 2070 is approximately? Option C, that is 0.09 to 0.13 tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. The 65th Central Geological Programming Board, that is CGPB meeting was held in which city? Option D, New Delhi. Kaladi is a GI tagged product from which district? Option A, that is Udhampur. Kaladi upscaling is linked with which government initiative? Option C, that is one district, one product. Sunita Williams retired from the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA, after how many years of service? Option D, 27 years. Sunita Williams spent how many total days in space? Option C, 608 days. Kashiwazaki Kariwa nuclear plant is located in which country? Option A, Japan. Which reactor was restarted at Kashiwazaki Kariwa plant? Option D, that is reactor number 6. US President Donald Trump spoke about Greenland acquisition at which forum? Option C, that is World Economic Forum. 6th Khelo India Winter Games 2026 were inaugurated at which stadium? Option B, NDS Stadium, Leh. Figure skating was introduced in Khelo India Winter Games in which edition? Option C, that is 6th edition. Who was appointed coach of senior Indian women's football team? Option A, Amelia Valverde. Amelia Valverde belongs to which country? So she belongs to Costa Rica. Which city ranked as the safest city in the world in 2026? Option A, Abu Dhabi. Abu Dhabi has been ranked world's safest city for how many consecutive years? Option D, 10 consecutive years. The Global Safety Index 2026 was released by which organization? Option B, Numbeo. Which country has the maximum cities in the top 6 safest cities list? Option D, United Arab Emirates. So that's it for today everyone. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. I wish you all the best.